Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to start by saying Happy New Year. I am so excited for what this year has to bring us. And before I start rambling, I just want to thank you everybody because we're almost at 500 subscribers. And that doesn't seem a lot, but I mean, I feel like I just started the channel and I feel like we are growing so fast and I'm just like super happy and like super thankful. So yeah, let's just get right into today's video. So as you can see in the title, I am doing a Sephora haul. In the month of December, Sephora was doing promotions each week. And basically the week that stood out most to me was the last week because they were doing sales on top of sales. And it was basically all sale items with an additional 20% off using the code major sale or if you were to go in store. So you guys know I already had to replenish my products and I also purchased some new ones to show you guys. So let's just get started. So the first product I want to share is the Urban Decay Makeup Setting Spray. Now this is at a $66 value and I purchased it for around $29 on sale with an extra 20% off. So it's an amazing deal. I got the 2-pack in the full sizes. This is my go-to makeup spray if you guys are looking for something with like a matte finish. Helps with like oil control. This is your kit or this is your setting spray. And in addition to that, it is vegan and cruelty-free. Next product I want to show you guys is this glow recipe kit. It's called the Pick Your Pop Lip Duo. That is so cute. Can we talk about packaging? I am literally a sucker for packaging. But it comes in this like clear bag and this claims to really exfoliate your lips as well. It comes in 2 different flavors. So we have, I believe, blueberry and watermelon. I'm not going to swatch these because who knows, I might gift them or something, but I'll go ahead and show you guys. So pretty, and it has this like blueberry logo at the bottom and it smells so good. The pink one is just like a plain packaging, but in the inside it looks like this. So pretty. The packaging is aesthetically pleasing. Like I just want this on my vanity right now. But what I love about these products is the formula. So they both have blueberry and watermelon extracts. So there's a lot of vitamins in there, antioxidants just to protect your lips. Super nice. And if you want something hydrating, these two, grab them. And then for this set, I believe it's a $44 value and I got it for $17. It was a steal. The next product up is gonna be the Huda Beauty Mini Power Bullet Kit. Now it comes with 2 nude shades and I'm in love with these. It comes with a lighter nude and a dark nude. I believe the shades are Girls Trip and Interview. Now the formula with these lipsticks are so good. They literally have this like buttery formula and they are so pretty. A lot of people were kind of skeptical just because they're so tiny and they weren't sure if they were gonna get it or not. But I love mini sizes like this because with lipsticks, you're always gonna have a lot. And this comes with this much product. Let me show you. I'll swatch it with you guys too so you can see the shades. So I am gonna swatch Interview, which is the darker shade, and Girls Trip, which is the lighter shade. And they are these. So pretty. And I believe this pack was, kind of forgetting the price, I think I got it for $10, like with a discount and everything, so it was like $5 per lippy. So that is so cute and the packaging is just perfect. And if you guys are wondering, they are cruelty free as well. So another product that I purchased from their brand is the Liner from Huda Beauty. Here you go. I love the packaging of this. I love how it's a duo liner. So this liner also claims to be waterproof, long lasting, up to like 48 hours. It looks like this. It was on sale for $12, so I got it for like $8. But it comes with a regular pencil liner and then it comes with a liquid liner. Like, isn't that so cool? So you guys can have basically 2 different looks with these. I like to use the pencil liner for softer looks. You can even put it under your waterline, and for the liquid liner you can go ahead and create more of like a smoky look. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Like, it is super black. Like, I think the shade is literally called Extreme Black. And let me show you the other one. Obviously the pencil is gonna be a lot softer than the liquid, but I love this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and remove these swatches. Let's see if it like comes off. Just taking a regular makeup wipe. The lippies come off super easily. And there's the liner. You can tell that it's stuck on there. But yeah, it takes a few little swatches to come off, but there we go. Yeah, I really believe that is going to be a very like long lasting liner. I'm using the Anastasia one right now, but once I finish this up, I'm definitely going to be using the Huda Beauty. Now I'm going to be showing you guys a hair care set. So if you guys don't know, this is the brand Way. I was supposed to purchase just the leave-in conditioner just to replenish, but I saw this kit on sale. This is a $52 value, and I think I got it for like $29 as the final price. But it comes with the Detox Shampoo, leave-in conditioner, and super dry shampoo. Now what I love about Way is that it is paraben, sulfate free. I know a lot of people are super picky. It's also vegan and cruelty free. And with these products, you can use it on any hair types. If you have thick hair like me, if you have like super thin hair, it will help with frizzness. It will help with frizz, dryness, and it also helps as like a heat protectant for the leave-in conditioner. So this is honestly such a good kit to have. Just because I've tried their shampoos before, wasn't that crazy about it, but this is the Detox Shampoo, so I'll give that a chance. And the super dry shampoo, you can just have, you can't have enough dry shampoos. So this is the perfect set to get. I believe they still have this online, maybe, but try the leave-in conditioner. It is so good. I used to like go to work and spray some on my hand, and I would just like make sure all the frizz was gone, like especially during morning shifts. Like, I just need something on the go, so this is the one. And next up, which I'm super excited about, is this Sephora collection body and hand soap. Like, isn't this so cute? It's so pretty. It's tiny too. Like, this is one bar soap right here. So it comes with 4, originally $14, and I think I got it for around like 8 or 9. They all smell so good. Let me show you one with out of the packaging. Just looks like this. It claims to be 100% recyclable for the packaging, and we have ingredients in the back. It is part of Clean at Sephora, so you don't have to worry about like harsh ingredients or anything. I'm probably gonna give this to my mom, but it comes in Lagoon, Mango, Cotton Flower, and this other one that I don't know how to pronounce, but yeah, they smell so good. Next up is this Fresh Duo Cleanser. Now, if you know me or you've watched my skincare routine, I live by the Fresh Strawberry Scrub. So this comes with a Soy Face Cleanser and the Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. I'm not gonna lie, when I first purchased this, I thought it was gonna be the full size, but it's okay. It's good if you want to try these out as well. They're actually the mini ones that you see on Beauty on the Fly. I'm already using the strawberry one, which is why I don't have it on here, but this is what it looks like. It's just like the travel size. I would recommend using the Soy Face Cleanser at night because you can use it to remove your makeup, and then you can use the exfoliating one in the morning. You can switch off with these, but I literally live by this. If you have dry, normal, combo, oily skin, I literally recommend this. All types of skin, natural ingredients. What are you waiting for? Just go get it. Next we have are my lashes, and you guys know I am all about big dramatic lashes. So this is the Miami Lily lashes. This by itself is already like $33. Like 33, that seems a lot. But I got it on sale for around maybe like 15. But it also comes with a lash adhesive, which is actually pretty good. I have sensitive eyes and that works perfectly fine with my eyes. And it just gives you that really good dramatic look. These are 3D mink, they're cruelty free. And look at the ornaments. It is so cute. Okay, so that's basically what I purchased in store and online, but I also grabbed stuff with the points. So the points system, a lot of people are we're not too happy about it, but I actually really like it just because you get to get some trial sizes and you get to see if you like the product before you purchase it too. I would suggest saving your points to get bigger items, or I believe they're doing the 500 points for $10 off, which is a really good option. So you guys should just like save it up. But I found two products that I really liked. So the first one is gonna be the Huda Beauty Silk Balm, and this one is in blush. I don't know, this is just so pretty to me. It's a newer product. I already have so many glosses and balms, so I don't need a full size. So this is just right up my alley. So I also saw that they had the Tatcha Silk Peony Melting Balm. Now this is more of one of those high-end skincare brands, and it is so good. You do not need a lot. With eye cream, a little goes a long way, so you can actually use this in your everyday makeup routine. And the original one is like what, like $60? Like, that's a lot. But you could try this out with your points. I believe it's like 100 points, so this is really good. And then I also grabbed the Dior Show mascara. Now this is one, it's just a staple if you want like a super black mascara. I feel like this is like a lot of people's go-tos. So pick it up or try it at least, you know. Let me try to open it so I could show you guys. Oh my god, I'm ruining the box. But it looks like this. It literally just looks like a mini one of the full size. But I love this. And let me just open up the wand. And the wand looks like this. Kind of has like a curve to it, which is pretty cool. If you guys order online, you can always grab some samples. So I grabbed two. I got the Daisy Love Marc Jacobs fragrance. I already have this one, but you can never have enough samples. And the last sample I got was the Amika Flash Instant Shine Mask. Super good for traveling. Just looks like this. Easy to bring, easy to go. So yeah, I think that is it. So yeah, that's it for today's haul. I hope you guys found this super informative. Maybe you'll purchase these products on your next Sephora trip. But yeah, I think that is it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.